Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza on MacBook. Many Mac users want to enjoy this popular racing game, and while it's not natively available, several effective methods exist. We will cover streaming services, which let you play without installing the game, and also discuss running Windows directly on your Mac. Let's dive into the best ways to get you racing. Cloud gaming is a fantastic option, letting you stream Forza directly to your MacBook without needing to install anything. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming, part of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, provide access to Forza Horizon titles. GeForce Now also supports many PC games, streaming them from powerful servers. You'll need a strong, consistent internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or more, for a smooth, lag-free experience. For a more native experience, you can run Windows on your MacBook. Intel-based Macs can use Boot Camp Assistant to install Windows, allowing you to boot directly into it for maximum performance. Alternatively, virtualization software such as Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion lets you run Windows as an application within Mac OS. For either method, having at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a fast solid-state drive is highly recommended for smooth gameplay. To truly enhance your Forza experience, remember a few key tips. Always close any background applications to dedicate your MacBook's resources to the game. Using an external game controller, like an Xbox controller, will significantly improve your driving precision and overall enjoyment. Finally, always double-check the specific system requirements for your chosen method, whether it's cloud streaming or running Windows, to ensure the best possible performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.